welcome back to my channel. So I'm still in Trinidad and Tobago, and I was like, let me just film this video because I'm seeing so many people do it, and I was super excited, you know, to put my spin on it. So today we will be following along with the Nikkie tutorials on a Prairie Edwards look, who is part of a band called Lil Mix, and I absolutely loved her you know, her recreation of that look. So I was like, let me try and do it myself, and I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, so if you want to see how we're gonna get this look, then please keep on watching.
Hey guys, so today I am here to show you this tutorial inspired by Perry Edwards from Little Mix. Little Mix recently came out with their new music video for No More Sad Songs, and literally all the girls looked so incredibly gorgeous. Like, they all had tones of red and maroon and purple in their look, and literally all four of them looked insanely pretty. So today I'm doing a tutorial inspired by Perry, but I also really want to do Leanne. Alright, so to get this No More Sad Songs look started, I'm first going to go in with this way too overpriced primer by Sisley. It is called...
Okay, so I am just gonna start with my L'Oreal Hydra Genius moisturizer. That's what I use in the daytime. I love this moisturizer. It smells super good. I'm gonna be using the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue today, because ain't nobody got time for that. But I'm also gonna be using my Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, because I've been really slacking on my skincare since I've been in Trinidad. Oh yeah, and I'm still in Trinidad, guys. Whoever could guess where I am, I'm gonna have to send you something in the mail. So if you could tell where I am right now, except Laverne, because she's here, she can't enter this contest, I will have to mail you something really nice if you could guess where I am right now. So the first person to comment, I'll send you something. Alright, then we're gonna go in with the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue. Nikki has dry skin and I have very oily skin, so you know, I gotta do my true prep, and she goes like this.
For foundation today, I'm going with another really long wearing product. This is...
Okay, so foundation, she's gonna use Double Wear, which I actually love, but like I said, I'm still in Trinidad, so all I have is my Fenty Beauty, and Fenty has been working so well, guys. Like, I went out, I sweat a lot, I came back home and I was still beat. Do you hear me? All right, don't sleep. What I haven't been doing is shaking it up, so let me shake it up.
And I've noticed that you have to work fairly quickly using this foundation, because once it sets into place, it will stay there.
So your Nikki does her foundation first, which I rarely do. I think I have like one video on my channel where I did my foundation first. So this is like very weird to me. I like to do my brows first. I feel like every video I watch, the person is saying that, like, wow, they do their foundation first. And we also know that Nikki cakes it on. So I usually use like 3 pumps of Fenty. I'm using 4 today, alright? Because we are gonna become Nikki tutorials.
Now it's time for concealer.
Okay, not finished yet. Okay, so one thing I can say is that this Fenty is a little light for me right now. Just a little bit. Somebody asked me recently in a video if Fenty, I could wear it all year long. And I would say yes, because I could still make this work. You know, I love the formula so much. I love the look of it so much that I could really make this work, warm it up a little bit. But I can see right now, and I have seen that, you know, it's a little light for me because I'm in Trinidad, the sun is hot, you know, I got a little darker. But it still doesn't look bad in my opinion. Okay, so she's moving on to concealer, and y'all don't roast me. I only brought one concealer to Trinidad. It's the Tarte Shape Tape. Sorry.
I'm setting my under eye area using my...
So sorry. So she puts a lot. So I'm using the shade Deep, and Nikki puts a lot of concealer. So that's what we're gonna do. But let's go back a little bit.
It will stay there. Like, there's no chance that you can move it or blend it out a little more. Once it's set, it stays. Now it's time for concealer.
put some up her nose right here. Right, that's the only place that I saw that she put the concealer. Okay, so then we're gonna blend.
Setting my under eye area using my finger blender and the Derma Blend powder.
Okay, so then she's setting her under eye. I'm gonna set my under eye with Patrick's powder. So let's set or bake. Okay, so Nikki didn't show this part, but I am gonna dust this off because I don't think she was baking for the whole time while she was doing her eyes. Also, she didn't highlight the center of her face. She just did her under eyes, which is interesting. I mean, sometimes I do this too, but I feel like I thought Nikki highlighted her whole face, but she didn't. Either she didn't show it or what, I don't know. Okay, also she didn't do her brows on camera, so I'm gonna do my brows real quick and come right back. Okay, so I'm gonna use my usual Colourpop low filter concealer as my eyeshadow base. You all know how I do it. I do have soft ochre paint pot, but I left that at home, so you know, I have on that. I don't even use that so much, but Nikki like swears by it. I think this is the first video that she used it.
My eyes. I have
Or
found
was
this
that a joke?
amazing new
I don't know if
product.
that was a
It is
joke or
Max Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I've never used this before. I am so excited to try this out.
So she used a bone shadow to set here for blending later on. So I am going into the Jaclyn Hill palette. Don't ask me the name of the shadow. Jaclyn, you know, thanks for not putting the names in. At first I was like, it's okay, I can look them up. Now I'm mad, okay? Like I don't know any of the names. Sorry. Okay, so actually I can show you what shade I used. So I used this one to set my eye, and then for my crease I'm gonna use this color here and this color here mixed.
Go all the way up to those brows. This most precise blend of life. Now going in with Venetian Red from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is like the most similar shade I have to Venetian Red, and she just started on the edges. Alright, so Nikki used that Illamasqua. I'm looking for a color that I have that's similar to it, and the only color I could find is this one from Jaclyn's palette right here. So I'm gonna use this, and she focuses on the crease and the bridge of the nose.
And if at this point you were like, oh my god, it looks like crap. Red is a really hard color to look nice during the process, but I'm promising you that in the end it will all pull together. Now I'm taking this MAC blush.
Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with these two colors right here to deepen the crease.
And on the outer corners, and then with my blending brush, my clean one, I blend the edges.
Right, so she just practicing with one brush and then she blends it out with the other brush. Nikki's really all about technique, boy. Place it and blend. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Lippie Diamond Glow Powder by Artist Couture and Jaclyn. I know, because I don't have that pigment that she's using. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray my brush with my Scandinavia setting spray. Right, so we're just gonna put this on the lid. Ooh, this is looking nice. I'm getting a lot of fallout though, so maybe the next time I use this I would use a primer. Actually, I could try the NYX glitter primer on the other eye and see. This is why I don't like to do my foundation first. Y'all can't see it, but I can. It's annoying.
See how that totally brought the look to life. Like we went from disastrous to hello there. On the waterline, I'm now applying the MAC Cold Power Eye Pencil.
Okay. Alright, Russian coming. Okay, so on this side I'm gonna try the NYX glitter primer. Wow, that is a big difference. I mean, it's still falling out, but that looks much better. That's looking like Nikki. Okay, so I don't usually put black on my under eye, so this is a stretch of me. I only have the Inglot Gel Liner.
On a Zoeva 325 brush, I'm smoking that out using Sketch Blush by MAC.
And then she took Sketch. I'm gonna take this dark brown shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette to smoke it out. Guys, right now my face is full of Diamond Glow powder. Oh my god. Okay, so Sketch is a little reddish. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the red that we put in our crease, just so I could kind of mimic more of what she has.
Go in with another Helen E pigment. This one is number 16 to light up the inner corners.
Okay, so since I use Lippie, which is the lightest pigment that I have, I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm wetting my brush.
And now to finish off the eye, all I'm doing is a quick black wing.
Hold up. Oh my gosh, we really do be rushing. How do you follow these tutorials? We skip so many things. Then we're going in with, well, just a line, no wing.
Lashes in.
And I'm using the same Inglot liner. Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna use these lashes from Pinky Rose, and they are in the style Disco. These are the most dramatic lashes that I have, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, then my bottom mascara, I'm just gonna use Big Shot mascara. Bottom mascara is a must make, absolute must. Okay, so for contour, I'm using the Juvia Space palette.
First, I start swirling all
Swirl.
a contour, not really looking like
Oh, so she's bronzing, right? Okay. Swirl.
Now for a little bit of additional contouring, I'm gonna go in with the.
So I'm just using the shade Neo to bronze like she did, swirling like she said.
Dial Instaglam Deluxe Contouring Powder number 3. My favorite contouring brush. Nothing too much, although Perry had quite the
Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Abby, which is a darker color, and do the contour.
sculpting going on her cheeks. Not a lot of blush, but a lot of sculpting and bronzing. For just a tad bit of blush, I'm gonna go in with this Kylie one.
Okay, so she did bronze around her face. She just didn't show it. Like, I could tell that she's bronzed around her face. So let me just do that real quick.
This one is called Barely Legal.
Okay, then for blush,
Why would you do that, Kylie? Barely Legal.
it's kind of pinky. So I just realized I don't have any of the products that she has. I haven't used one product that she has used in this video. Anyway, whew, that's to tell you, like, you really don't need the exact products in order to recreate a look, because listen, I think I'm looking like Nikkie. So I'm gonna go in with this blush called Zane, this pink one right here, and I'm gonna mix it with the pink. So Zane and Toby. Alright, pink and orange make peach. Is that how it goes?
For highlight, I'll be using Kylie Cosmetics French Vanilla.
So she's using a Kylie highlighter. I'm gonna use the Lemonade palette. Let me see which one I should choose though.
You get another shot. It's so fun. It wasn't really all that impressive to me, but Perry had a glow on, but it wasn't blinding. So sad.
I know, so no blinding glow today. Okay, so I am going to use Lemonade from this palette, and Nikki is just swirling.
But you know, some people like it more soft.
Okay, so we're doing it more soft.
And I like this a softer look.
A little over the forehead, as the brow. Just a tad.
We're not gonna do the nose. I know.
A little bit on the chin. Thank God. Hate nose highlights.
We must resist the urge.
All right, for lips, I'm first gonna line using this Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Nude Whisper 105.
Penelope, or no, Penelope Pink.
Alright, so for lips, I'm gonna use Filtr from Colourpop.
And now to seal the deal, I'm gonna go in with setting spray. This is All Nighter by Urban Decay, and we will lock this one.
Scandinavia.
And that, guys, concludes this Perry Edwards No More
Is that
Sad
it?
song.
Oh my gosh, she didn't set her face. So Nikki didn't set her face. Okay, though I've already sprayed that Scandinavia spray, I'm gonna set my face with my blood powder from MAC in Deep Dark. She has dry skin, so she doesn't have to set her skin, but I need to set mine. This looks really nice. It's a gloss. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I actually really like how this came out. I think I did a pretty good job at following Nikki. I didn't have any of the products that she used to create this look, but you see what y'all see what happened. Okay, she didn't do a lot of glow, which is kind of weird because we know that Nikki is a queen of glow. So some things I want to say about it: I will never like do my foundation before my eyes, because you see this fallout situation, I'm not about that life, right? I had like diamond glow powder all down here. My under eye is kind of baked a little too much. It just that's the only thing I would say that I would do differently. I would definitely do my foundation first, and then I would definitely do my eyes first and then do my foundation. She did give a lot of good tips for the eyes. Let's just zoom in a little bit, right? So these are the eyes. I really like how they came out. She gave good instructions. One thing I realized is she didn't do a brow bone highlight, right? No? Okay. So she didn't do a brow bone highlight. I don't feel like I'm missing it though. I don't miss it. I think it still looks good. You know, I have hooded eyes, so I need to like raise my brows so you guys can really see what's going on my eye right now. But yeah, I think this came out pretty good. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below what you like, what you didn't like. You know, if you want to see more videos like this from me, I would love to do another one. So if you have somebody else that you would like me to follow along with, then please let me know in the comment section below. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Lil.Beat on Instagram and on Snapchat, and Lippie Inc. on Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget, if you know where I am, the first person to comment, I have a nice gift to send to you in the mail. And this is open internationally, so wherever you are, I'll, you know, make sure I could get this special something to you, if you could tell where I am right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and have a great day, guys. Bye.